Good morning, children. Today we will discuss on chapter 6 leisure time. We need time to relax our body and refresh our mind. Leisure or free time is the time spent away from work for entertainment and relaxation. You know, children, the leisure time activities are not new. In earlier times, man played marble, ball and dice games for recreation. Traditional and modern leisure time activities. Traditional leisure time activities followed in India were dancing, visiting, fairs, painting and music. Martial art, hunting, swimming, chariot racing and wrestling were also very much popular. Some modern and popular leisure time activities are watching television, cinema, video games, badminton, tennis, polo, etc. Now we will discuss about the board games. You know, board game is very popular nowadays also. You know very well. You also play at home the board games like carom, ludo, etc. etc. Board game always stimulate the mind. Some board games like Satranj and Chopper have been a part of Indian history and mythology. Some board games are very popular like chess, ludo, Scrabble, Pictionary, etc. These two popular board games, one is Adu Huli Ata from Karnataka. This game helps to develop strategy and teamwork. Second is Aluguli Man or the Palanguli is played in Tamil Nadu. It improves the skills of mental calculation and concentration. Now, martial art. Martial art is the practice of combat, fight or self-defense. It needs physical strength, skill and coordination. Martial art is the practice of combat, fight or self-defense. It needs physical strength, skill and coordination. Different martial art forms have been a part of India's culture and traditional games. The Indian wrestling, Kusti, is a traditional form of martial art. Now, martial art of judo, karate, taekwondo and kung fu are popular sports in India and the world. Some popular form of martial art of India is Thangta. Thangta is a Manipuri martial art, and the another martial art from Kerala, it is also very graceful. It includes strikes, kicks and some weapons. The name of that martial art is Kalaripayuttu. Kalaripayuttu. Okay, this is very important. Now, here we will discuss about yoga. Yoga is a part of ancient Indian culture. In recent times, it has become very popular in India and all over the world. Physical and mental stress makes us sick and tired. Yoga helps us to give a healthy and stress-free life. It also guides us to adopt right eating habits, and yoga teaches various asanas. Asanas is called actually it means the postures. Asanas to build energy, tone our muscles and keep our body fit. Yoga does not require any expensive equipment or venue. It can be practiced anywhere at any time of the day. Now, pranayam. Pranayam, what actually the benefit of pranayam we will discuss here. The benefits of pranayam are it regulates and relaxes our body as well as mind. It also cures breath related problems and stress related disorders like anxiety and depression. Okay? Breathing plays an important role in our physical and mental health. My dear students, theatre. Theatre is a kind of leisure time activity also. Theatre has been an important source of entertainment for people since olden times. When Nautanki and Jatra were popular, they took up themes from mythology and everyday life to entertain the masses. In modern times, theatre has developed into a wonderful art. It creates awareness about the challenges faced by our society, country, etc. It also imparts education, ideas, values, and information in an effective and creative way. Nukkad Natak spread awareness and campaign for important issues like pollution, illiteracy, corruption, rights of women, etc. Now, we will discuss on storytelling. Okay? Storytelling is an ancient art that involves narrating a story orally. The stories expose the listeners to the richness of different themes, culture and languages. Okay? Listening to stories has always been a favorite activity for children as well as grown-ups. The grandparents, parents and teachers narrate stories to give information, expand knowledge and imagination. A story can teach us values like humanity, compassion, sympathy, gratitude, nobility, etc. R.K. Narayan is the most loved storyteller of India. Children love to read his books and famous stories, Malgudi Days, and Swami is the hero of that story. Now, reading. Books are our best friend. They entertain, give important information about any topic and are easily available. Reading is a leisure time activity that is quite popular among children as well as elders. It enhances knowledge and awareness. The different type of popular leisure time venues. Okay, venues, about venues. Okay, Chaupal. First one is Chaupal, a meeting place of villagers. Chaupal is the meeting place of villagers. Together they sit to and talk on various current matters. They also discuss the issues related to the welfare of the villages. The village elders or the panchas, who also sit at the Chaupal, solve the dispute if there is any. Chaupal also gives opportunity to the villagers to enjoy and spend life in their own way. They read newspaper, watch television, share their joys and sorrows, celebrate festivals, etc. Thus, Chopar is a favorite leisure time venue for the villagers. Okay, now we will discuss here also the urban venues. Urban venues in cities and towns, most people get together at parks, banquet hall, marketplace, libraries, coffee house, etc. Most of the traditional leisure time activities are still followed in different parts of India. Many new activities have also become popular. They are playing squash, volleyball, basketball, cricket, hockey, visiting art galleries, or listening to music, etc. Okay? Sports as entertainment. Now we will discuss about the sports as entertainment. Cricket, hockey, football, volleyball, polo, badminton, archery, boxing, weightlifting are leisure time activities for both boys and girls. They are fun to play, watch, or even listen to the commentary. Some of them are individual games, whereas others are team games. In recent times, they have become career option for those who have a keen interest in sports and games. A sports person, some qualities are there for the sports person here. You listen. A sports person needs to have enthusiasm, self-motivation, discipline, physical stamina, mental alertness, and confidence to face challenges. Team games teach discipline, harmony, and team spirit. We have many sports personalities who have earned name and fame for themselves as well as for the country. They are the Virat Kohli, Sania Mirza, Jaspal Rana, Mary Kom, Saina Nehwal, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, M.R. Puvama, to name a few. They have inspired many others to pursue sports as a career.